How to change the PIN number in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open search bar at the bottom or click on the Windows key. In here, click on your username, which will open these options. Click on change account settings in here. After that, click on sign in option on the left side. Then click on Windows Hello PIN. Then you'll find option which is change. Simply click on change at the bottom. Now you will need to type in your current PIN. Then after that, new PIN and confirm new PIN. After you have added both the PIN, press on OK at the bottom. After you have pressed on OK, your PIN will be changed. This is how to change the PIN number in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.